Hello everyone, welcome to Electric YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see what are the electrical softwares available for engineers in order to study or execute or simulation or other things. So we can see one by one. Let's start with first one, MATLAB. Yes, MATLAB is the major software, like most widely like used software in modeling or simulations. You can do various things. I can say all the things you can do, like numerical computing, dynamic system simulator, like control systems, like algebraic solutions, all the types of studies and execution you can do, and you will get add-on packages also in like Simulink. Like in the next slides we can see that also, and linear system implementation, linear algebra, and control system design and system identification, other things also with respect to power system and electrical system also you can do all the analysis. This is one of the, you will get paid version and also student version also available, and free version also available. I think for 30 days you can check with their official websites. And next one is ETAP, electrical transient analyzer program. So like this is also most widely, all the industries, utilities worldwide, they are using these softwares, and in order for analysis, simulation, and monitoring and control and planning and optimization and automation of electrical power. So it is also like most comprehensive suite for integrated power system, and various tools also available along with this. So you will get through, please check with their official websites, and you will get by using this you can do power flow analysis, relay coordination, and control system design also you can do. So you can check with their official website. And next one is MyPower. So MyPower is like it's a product from PRDC, which is Indian company, that is also head office is located in Bangalore, like Power Research Development and Consultants. This is MyPower, also a package, and you can do power system analysis like load flow, short circuit, and transient studies, and relay coordination, and monitoring, assessment, and control, and power evacuation studies, and planning studies. And my power utility is for, it is useful for both industries, utilities, and universities also they are using. You can draw buses, and you can prepare SLDs, and you can prepare databases, and you can do all the studies like steady state stability, voltage instability, and other studies. Also you can create a fault, and you can do transient stabilities, and what will be the voltage during fault, and other things also you can do. And you can create a database, and by default also many libraries are available for each components, and you can do and you can check, and you can convert one, like for example from, you can do AutoCAD file using this, and you can convert that to AutoCAD also. That also you can do. Please check with my Power official website, that is PRDC official website, in order to get this software. And next one is Simulink. Explained you about MATLAB. Like MATLAB, this is also one add-on package like Simulink. You can do like this, they here the blocks are present, like each voltages, like for example voltage source, generator, loads, transmission lines also, like blocks are there. You can just simply keep in one space, and you can execute, and you can visualize the graphs and outputs and all. So you can run, you can simulate, and this is also a very good thing for Simulink, for electrical engineer, in order to analyze and visualize the data. So you can check using MATLAB official website. And PSpice, this is personal simulation program with integrated circuit emphasis. So this is also, I think we have already covered some problems by using a PSpice software. So you can check like series resonance circuit, parallel resonance circuits, and all in our playlist it is available. Please check it. And this is also simply a drag and drop the components, and you execute, because like you can visualize the data, we can visualize the graphs, outputs, and all. So this is multisim. This is mainly used for electronic circuits like PCB design and development. So by using this multi-sim also can do your work will be easier for I'm telling for electronic. Next one is Power World Simulator. Power World Simulator also similarly like other software like for transmission generation and distribution system, like worldwide they are using this software also, and you can draw, you can see like up to 250,000 buses you can draw. That means entire nations uh, grids you can flows you can draw. So this is also used for other distribution computing and processing optimal power flow. You can check that transient stabilities and other things. And next one is PSCAD. PSCAD is an electrical engineer software package for electromagnetic transient study. So this is developed by Manitoba Hydro Limited, and you can build, you can simulate, and you can model your system with easiness. And you can see HVDC system also you can draw. And moreover, this is also free version is also available. Please check with their official website. And this is AutoCAD electrical. I think all are familiar with this AutoCAD software. So AutoCAD electrical software is also a package from AutoCAD. So you can see, you can draw machine, you can model the machine, you can do many things, I can say, like building circuits and wirings, numberings, and for example alternator winding, other things. And like all the libraries are available. Please check this is a big software. This is also, so it will take hours to download also, but it will be very good. You can try it once. And next one is PSSC, Power System Simulator for Engineers. This is also you can do for like load flow, dynamic short circuit analysis, and contingency analysis, and optimal power flow. So this is also used by many industries. You can check. And LabVIEW, NI LabVIEW, it is called like a national instruments. So this is also laboratory virtual instruments engineering workbench, like testing, measurements, and control you can do. And this is also graphical. It will provide you graphical programming approaches. You can check with their official websites. So you can do like complex logic diagram and data analysis logarithm also you can do this. And this is mainly is for designing. And next one, Keel Micro. This is whoever studied embedded system or microcontroller. You can probably heard about this microcontroller Keel version, like version 3 2 4 5, right now 5 maybe. So this is a like you can create a program, you can write a program in the respective language, and you can like both high level like language, and you can dump it to the what's that microcontroller, and you can execute that program. You can see, analyze the program. This is also a very good tool. This the softwares which related to electrical. Please like and share this video. Please subscribe to this channel from the electric team. Thank you.